how you can make vinyl decals just like this one really easily and get them ready to sell to a customer or at markets, in bulk, or an online store. I'm going to take you through the process step by step on how I make these amazing decals. If you like these kinds of vinyl tutorials and sticker videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel, notifications on so you never miss an upload. Be sure to like the video as we go along, it really does help me out. If you have any thoughts, please leave them in the comments down below. Let's get into today's video. We're using today, I've got scissors, your weeding pick, the weeding tool, clear transfer tape, and I've got a selection of vinyl here today. So I've got blue, black, white, and we'll see which one we're going to use.
Here we are in Vinyl Cut now. So I'm opening up a new document and just selecting 200 by 200 mils, smallish workspace, and you go File, Import, and this is on the computer now, and you'll just choose your file and place it on. You'll get to place the folder or the picture where you want it, and where you've set your origin, it will start your cutting. For this one, I'm going to add a box around the design. It makes it way easier to weed out. So I choose the square, and I'm making sure that I have no fill selected and no border selected. It will still read and cut. You'll see how it works when we cut it out.
So here at the vinyl cutter, I'm just going to be feeding my vinyl in to the back, making sure all my pinch rollers are open. And then making sure that it sits nice and straight. And then here I'm just going to set my origin of my blade by going there, just moving it over. Okay, and then once you're ready with that, you will be pressing enter, and that will be your machine's new origin. Okay, and I have my force set to 40 and my speed at 75. So we'll try that out and we'll see how it cuts. Sometimes you might have to adjust it and go down a little bit or use a little bit more force, but I think this should be fine. Now that that's done, I'm going to feed it through and cut off the piece that cuts. Okay, so now that we have that cut, can't really see the lines at the moment, but I'm going to be showing you how I weed that out and get it ready for the customer. So I'm going to start by doing the big piece so that you'll be able to see where the lettering is. Normally I just carefully pull back the vinyl and then it just weeds away really easily, and I just kind of feel where all the vinyl is, and there we go. So now I've got all these little pieces in between. So now that we have all that weeded out, I already have my box, my lines where I cut with the vinyl cutter. Okay, now to apply the transfer tape, just going to take a piece off. Try and get it roughly the size of my piece. Sometimes I can fit 2 on a piece, so I think I'm going to do that this time because I have this little turtle one that I cut earlier. Nicely next to each other, and I'm just going to put this into a U shape and put it down. Then I always start from the middle outwards, middle outwards, middle outwards. Make sure it's nice and flat. Make it out.
And how to save the pieces or something else another time.
There you have it. Easy decals. Okay, so there you have it. You can make these vinyl decals really easily and simply with your AM vinyl cutter. It's a really easy machine to use. Once you know how everything works and you have your design, it is so simple to be able to upload to Vinyl Cut and cut out with the AM vinyl cutter really easily. Really easy to get these types of decals. Use them on windows or cars. You can stick them to cupboards or doorways, anywhere you like really, and you can sell these and make some money. So this vinyl cutter is great to have a small business or a home business. The designs you can find at MadzScapes.co.za. This video is also going to be shared on the Achievement Matters YouTube page. You will find all their vinyl cutters at the buythiswebsite.co.za. The link is in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this on how to use vinyl for yourself or for your small business. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in our next one. Bye YouTube!